Today you will make spaghetti with shrimp piccata. And the flour I got salt and black pepper. And the shrimp, that's what I did. I wash it really good and I butterfly. Now to do like this, we put flour and we do each one the same with the flour. And we put a little bit oil, not too much. Just like this, I gotta use butter. Okay, we gotta start with a little garlic. Like this, the shrimp give a good taste when you do with the garlic. Fry the garlic a little bit. Okay, now we start with the shrimp. Like this. And make sure to put the gas at low heat. Okay? Okay, you don't want to burn the shrimp. Because the shrimp, gotta cook it too long. After we gotta turn on the other side. Because this shrimp, so you cook it too much, it comes too tough and dry. Look how beautiful color this shrimp. Wait, when I start to eat, it look more good. Okay, now this is almost done to take it out. I want to put a little black pepper on the top. Okay, I put the salt and black pepper, but I like to have a little bit. And we load the gas, and let's take the shrimp out. And look at this shrimp, it gotta be so nice and tender. Okay, now we put a little bit more oil, not too much oil now, and we got butter. We raise the gas a little bit more. Now we got a caper. The caper, make sure to wash really good because it's really salty. Wash it with the cold water. Somebody wash the hot water, you cook the caper. Okay, now we got the water boil and we need the salt. I put salt. And we put the pasta. At the time the pasta cook, I'm ready with the shrimp, everything. And we give a nice turn for the pasta. Now I want to know what kind of the pasta everybody favor to eat. I put a little flake of hot pepper. Now, so you like hot pepper like me, I use oil, baby. And you can use oil, baby. When you go buy US, you want to buy Italian long hot pepper oil, baby. Okay, now we got the lemon. We got a wine. And this sauce, it gotta be so good. Now we put a little bit extra flour, because we want to make the sauce, or you call it gravy, little thick, and we use little flour. You see, now you make a little thick now. Now, so you want, on this, you can use water, chicken stock, or the water for the pasta. But what I did, I was cleaning my shrimp in the shell. The shrimp, I was make fish stock. And this is the fish stock for the shell. And you gotta put inside, when you do with the shell, onion, I put piece of garlic, carrots, and celery. And after you leave it boil for 1 hour and a half, and you drain, and this is the fish stock. And we started that much, but some of the more, after when I do the pasta, we can use more. Okay, now we give a little parsley. We leave it boil this nice. Okay, now the pasta is almost done, but before the pasta I put inside over here, I gotta put the shrimp in first. I wanted the shrimp to give a nice taste with all the gravy and the sauce over here. And we leave it boil together. And look at the shrimp, how beautiful look. Now we leave it stay like 1 minute, the shrimp, and we take the pasta and we put it right inside over here with the shrimp. Now it's a time to put the pasta. It's still a little bit al dente, but I want to cook it together with the shrimp. Look beautiful. Now let's put it back over here on the stove with the gas on. And let's make a nice turn. This here gotta be nice creamy. And we give a little flour. Oh. Okay, now we got more fish stock over here, and we make a little bit more. Oh, now it look beautiful, nice. And we leave it cook a little bit more. A little more parsley on the top and make it nice. Look at this. And now we give it nice. Okay, let's bring on the table. I want to taste, because this is gonna be delicious. Oh. The first thing, I want to taste the shrimp. Really good, nice, juicy, creamy, everything. Really delicious. Thank you very much for the look of this video, and make sure you make a you let me know. Okay, come out really good, so you do the same like I did. Thank you very much, and we see next time.